Hello everyone, welcome to NS Coding. Today we will learn how to install Python. So let's get started. Before starting, we will get to know something about the Python. So what is Python? Python is an interpreted, high-level, general-purpose programming language. Python is widely used for server-side web development, software development, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and many more. It is free and open-source software. Now, here are some prerequisites for installing Python. Hardware: a 1 GHz processor, 1 GB of RAM, and 250 MB of storage. Operating system: Windows 7, 10 or 11, Mac OS, or most Linux distros. Disk space: 1.5 GB of free disk space for Python 3.1 or above. Processor: an Intel Core i5 processor or equivalent. RAM: 4 GB of RAM, with 8 GB preferred. Hard disk space: 15 GB of available hard disk space. Connection: an internet connection is required. First of all, open Google Chrome and type Python in the search bar. Open the first link in the results. The official Python website has opened. Now click on the download section of the home page. Here you can download Python for Windows, Mac OS or other platforms like Unix, Linux, etc. I will click on Windows and in that, click on Python 3.11.3. As you can see on the lower left corner, our download has been completed and now click on that. The Python installation window has appeared. Leave the checkboxes as it is and click on Customize Installation. Here you will get some optional features of Python, leave them as default and click on Next. Here are some advanced options: check the Install Python 3.11 for all users, and leave everything as default. Now select the install location. Leave this as it is or select a custom location according to your convenience by clicking on the Browse button. After selecting the location, click on Install. It will ask you for administrative privileges, click on Yes. As you can see, the installation has started. After some while, the installation has completed. Also the IDLE of Python has also installed with this. IDLE stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. This is the default IDE for running Python programs, which is mostly used by beginners. For advanced IDE we can run Python programs in PyCharm, developed by JetBrains. Here it is written our setup was successful, now click on Close. So that is it for today. In the next video, we will perform some programs of Python in its IDLE and CMD. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any suggestions or ideas let me know that in the comments. See you in another video. Till then, bye bye, see you, take care and thanks for watching the video.